Hi, my shining lights. The name of this vlog is called Dinner is Served. Yes, I'm going to be cooking for you guys. So today, what's on the menu is cabbage with cornbread and baked chicken. So right here, I'm just cutting up my season. Yes, I use all the color bell peppers, yellow, orange, red, and green. Then I'm going to be cutting up my onion. I'm going to show you guys. So just stay tuned. And oh, thank you guys so much for watching my cooking vlog. And let me know in the comments, do y'all like stuff like this? Because I can do this more often for you guys. Because you know I love you guys and I just really want to entertain you guys. And I don't want y'all to be waiting on me with videos. But I am doing the best I can. My phone is broke right now, but I won't give up. My shining lights, word of the day. So pretty. This is the color that my kitchen's supposed to be with the white. So yes, you guys, I'm just finishing up cutting up my seasonings, and then I'm gonna fry it with my onion and my sausage. I'm gonna fry all of it together. So just stay tuned. Y'all hear my baby? She's singing her song. But this is mommy time for me too. So, like I said, I'm not letting nothing stop me. Let me tell y'all something. I am not no chef. My fiance is. I cut up, which I do. I learned that from my friend when I was about 12 years old, Tasha Barkley. Yes. Thank you, Mom. Her grandmother used to have her, when she would make her grovies, to cut up her season, put it in Ziploc bags, and store it in the freezer. And so that's how I learned how to cut from Tasha Barkley. So, thank you, Mom. Like they say, it takes a village to raise a child. And I was one of those kids that needed guidance from my village. And wherever I got guidance from, I just want to say thank you. Because unfortunately, some of us don't have that mommy time. And so I just want to thank whoever helped me along my way. Thank you so much. I'm a living witness that is the truth. A village helps raise a child, because I was one of the children that needed a village in my life. This just me showing y'all my seasons. And hopefully y'all don't take this the wrong way, but this is my story. And I will hope that I can shine the light on where I want to shine it on. And hopefully no one feel no type of way. This is just my story. This is my testimony. Everyone has one. And I'm just using my platform to tell my testimony. And it's really not mine. It is Jesus Christ. But I am being a witness of his story. And so I get to tell my story. Now I'm putting it all in one pot, and now I'm about to put my top over it and just let it cook. I already put my seasons in it. I'm gonna wait till it cook down a little more to put some more seasons just to see what my flavor adds. Then I'll be adding a little sugar, not too much. But this is my cornbread, and I'm gonna be putting this in at the top with my chicken at the bottom. You see that? But I got it on a certain temperature for my cornbread. So it's gonna cook slowly. And now this is the final look, you know? You see that? It is so good too. My fiance and my kids love it, so that's all that matters. And what y'all know about that skillet cornbread? Y'all know about that? Oh, because I used the skillet because this was the only thing I had at one time to use. And so, 1, 2, 3. Dinner is served.
Ladies and gentlemen,